June the 27th garden update. Everything's looking really good. We are beginning to harvest a lot of squash. We may or may not get beans this year, but that's okay. The basil looks really good. We've been harvesting several of the tomatoes, just a few at a time. Look how big these Romas are. They're huge. Everybody looks good still. Just the vines are just loaded down. We have our first tomato on the new plants. We're gonna have to do some trimming on these sweet potato vines. Just snip the ends off. I'm loving the wall of cucumbers. Makes for nice shade in the afternoon. Looks like we've got some more we need to pick. The pepper plant, I'm not sure it's gonna do very well. It's too much shade. The eggplants are growing taller and blooming. That one's blooming. Had to put out 7 dust because the worms were eating them. All of the squash look really good. We may need to cut some back. Got more down there that need to be picked. Looks like we've got some bee action going on this morning. I do see one that didn't pollinate. We need to pull that off. That pepper plant looks good. These zucchini have started. I see the first female right there. All of these look really good. So overall, the garden looks great. Do one pan around. It's full. We normally stop picking the middle of July because it gets too hot here. But we have got a lot of bee action this morning. Hope everybody has a great day.